Good evening, everybody. Bob at Two Pops Breaks. It is Saturday, May the 27th. We are breaking Hit Parade autographed MLB jerseys. It's another personal for Z Foster. We let him pick between our two remaining boxes. 63 is what he got. We did random team sales on your... Well, never mind. Sorry, not random team sales. It's a personal for Z. Bam. Here we go. Alright, Z. I'm friggin' hoping, man. Well, again, I like the player. Bam! Well, actually, it's a little bit of a bonus. Finally, a licensed jersey, bud. So actually, that's not such a bad hit. I thought it was going to be a custom. But that is going to be the Big Hurts. Mr. Frank Thomas on one of the all-time worst jerseys ever. The White Sox, again, bud, she is a licensed jersey, so that's going to be a little bit of a bonus on that one for you, bud. So, actually, not a bad hit for you there. Not exactly sure on the licensed value, but got to be a whole lot better than the customs are. Has the Schwartz be with you? Hologram honor, guys. A Big Hurt licensed jersey. Believe it or not, guys, you know, I think that might actually be the very first Big Hurt license. I pull a ton of Big Hurt stuff through the years, but I think that's actually the first time I pulled a licensed. So, not a bad hit for you there, Z, on that one. So at least that box was worth your value. Finally got you a hit there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bob at Two Pops Breaks.